Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Nong ay kitian ka BJP MEGHALAYA uba Maria Hom Kharkrang. URLONG ba ka BJP ka KYRSHAN PURA ya ka Special Intensive Revision SIR. Bat ka deban URLONG ru MEGHALAYA. Kenang ba kito ki bomday kinong syongshnong ba pura ka MEGHALAYA kin syaweng ka kerteng jongki. URLONG ba ka jingwan buhay shnong ki banabar ka judan. Bat day tang na ka jing sensyar ka BJP benta ba ka la SHIMKHIA halor kani. Ki सरकार बसन शार हकी पोर बरले किम शिमला ले ए देतang hadian baka BJP kalawan hakabor baka sa SHIMKHIA bha yakani udong ka SIR ka dika wei kalat ka ban ithu i ki bawan shong be an hakari ban hakajila udong.
Brought out a list earlier of 19. Subsequently, we brought out a second list of about 6 of them. So probably by the time that the elections are declared, probably we'll have all the seats. We'll be contesting all the seats. So that's our stand right now.
So what is also the stand of the party on the SIR?
SIR, we welcome the SIR, definitely. Of course, we welcome the SIR. And it should happen also. So that voters who are not entitled to be voters of Meghalaya their names should be deleted, definitely. We support the SIR.
So it should be done before the council polls?
Of course, if possible, it should be done before. Because probably, as far as I know, it was supposed to start in the month of April. So I do hope so they complete, especially the places where there are a lot of doubtful voters.
What is the influx scenario? Even the union ministers are concerned about it and about Garovis especially.
You see, influx has been there, and it is only now that we see the central government, taking a very serious stand about it. Subsequent governments in the past have not taken any action. It is only after the BJP came to power that they took this illegal influx as a very serious issue that has to be attended to without any delay. And the SIR is one of the ways and means how to, how to identify these illegal immigrants who have come over to our country and to our state in particular. So, now the government is all out to ensure that, this has to come to a stop at one point or the other.
Can you also tell us how do you assess the Assam election?